How to add keyframes in Openshot. Want smooth animations and motion? Here's how to use keyframes in Openshot to animate almost anything. Start by selecting a clip onto the timeline, then go to Properties panel. Here you will see options like position, scale, rotation, and alpha. Right-click on a property and choose Add Keyframe. You can now set values at specific points in time. You will see a blue diamond icon wherever a keyframe is added. Use this to animate movement, zoom, fade-ins, or even opacity changes over time. Use the preview panel to scrub and test the animation so everything looks smooth. What would you animate with keyframes? Titles, images, or logos? Let me know in the comments below. And once your motion is complete, review the animation and export your video with all your keyframe magic in place. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.